Priscilla Presley is now disputing the validity of her daughter's will. She was removed as a co-trustee back in 2016 and replaced by Lisa Marie's children. But Priscilla's lawyers now say there are several issues with the document. They say Priscilla's name was misspelled. Lisa Marie's signature doesn't look right. As you know, Lisa Marie is Elvis Presley's only child. She was laid to rest at his Graceland estate earlier this month. Joining us now to talk about this is CNN's chief business correspondent and Early Start anchor, Christine Romans. Okay, so a living trust is basically this form of a way to control your assets while you're still alive.
Right.
What is it? I mean, what is the dispute here over?
So the issue here is that Priscilla Presley didn't know in 2016 that the trustees had been changed upon the death of Lisa Marie. It wasn't notarized. That's one of the things she's concerned about. She wasn't alerted, and that is required. Ironclad part of this trust is that she must be notified of any changes to this document, and she wasn't. So that's why her lawyers have petitioned the court to see about if this 2016 amendment to her will is actually legal and valid.
Wow. I mean, how long could this take, do you think?
So I was looking at the Michael Jackson estate. That took 12 years to settle. Michael Jackson was heavily in debt when he died. And it was interesting to me, by the time they settled that whole estate, it was profitable again. It was like 4 times as profitable as it had been. So you've got an estate here that includes a 15% stake in Elvis Presley Enterprises, Graceland, the mansion, which Priscilla at one time has said, Lisa Marie said is absolutely 100% mine. It will always be mine. Graceland, it will always be. And when it is no longer mine, it will be my children's. And that is that. And now we are at the place where her children are named in this will as her trustees now, and her own mother is disputing it. So it's granddaughters and a grandmother together over the future of what is a very complicated fortune.
It's interesting that you mentioned Michael Jackson because, they had that connection. But often, when you look at most of the folks who die, a lot of them die in debt, and then because they're not spending it, quite often, within months or years, they end up the estates just go up in value.
Elvis Presley made much more money in death, frankly, than he did in life. That has been a brand that has been just sterling.
Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, on and on and on.